Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix your camera not working on MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, I want you to go ahead and restart your PC by simply clicking up here and then click on restart. Once you've done that, if it is still not fixed, then go to System Settings and simply go all the way down until you go ahead and find the apps. You want to do that is by simply going ahead and searching for privacy and security down here. So let me just go ahead and find that. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and look at the camera tab right over here. And now simply go ahead and allow it for all the applications to go ahead and use it. Just like that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button. And if your problem is still not fixed, then if it is a hardware problem, unfortunately, you will have to go ahead and contact Apple support by going to their nearest stores. Have a great one. I'll see you on the next one.